an equation, you start with the skeleton equation, and you have reactants on this side, and then yields, products on this side. And in an equation, you have numbers called coefficients, which is like this 2 right here. You can change the coefficients in an equation to balance the equation. So in order to balance this equation, you would need to put another 2 coefficient in front of the reactant. And these numbers down here are called subscripts, and you can't change those numbers because they're part of a chemical equation as it is. Thank you.
Jackson Perry here with how to balance a chemical equation without using a t-square. This equation reads, lead nitrate plus aluminum chloride yields lead chloride and aluminum nitrate. Starting with lead, we have 1 on this side and 1 on this side. Nitrates have 2 on this side and 3 on the other side, and that's where we encounter our first problem. Now the lowest common denominator, lowest common multiple of 3 and 2 is 6. In order to make this a 6, we'll put a 3 right here, but now we have 3 leads. So we go to the right side and put a 3 in front of this one to match 3 leads, 3 leads. In order to make this one 6 and match the nitrate on the other side, we put a 2 right here, and now we have 2 aluminums, 6 nitrates, 3 leads, 6 chlorides on this side. And then finally, to match this, we would put a 2 right here, and to check our work, we have 3 leads, 6 nitrates, 6 nitrates, 2 aluminums, 6 chlorides, 6 chlorides. This equation is balanced, and we cannot cancel because all of these numbers are prime. Thank you.
To balance a chemical equation, you need to have the same amount of each element on both sides of the equation. So right now this reads 1 mole of lead nitrate plus 1 mole of lithium sulfate yields 1 mole of lithium nitrate plus 1 mole of lead sulfate. However, there are different amounts of each element on either side of the equation. So to ensure that they have the same amount, you can make a t-square, on which you write each element as it appears. So lead, nitrate, lithium, and sulfate in this case. And then you can write how many are on each sides of the equation. So on this side there's 1 lead, 2 nitrates, 2 lithiums, and 4 sulfates. And on this side of the equation there's 1 lead, 1 nitrate, 1 lithium, and 4 sulfates. So, as you can see, there's the nitrate and lithium are not balanced. To change that, you're going to look to see what you can do on this side of the equation, which is the product side. And to make lithium and nitrate on the product side equal to the reactant side, you're going to put a 2 in front of lithium nitrate. And when you do that 2, you get 2 nitrate over here and 2 lithium. So then you go back and you make sure that everything is balanced. 1 lead here, 1 lead here, 2 nitrates here, 2 nitrates here, 2 lithium, 1 sulfate, and 1 sulfate. Once the equation balances out on both sides, the skeleton equation has turned into a balanced equation.
To balance this equation, you can start by making a t-square. And write each element as they appear in the equation. Silver, silver, 1 nitrate, and 1 copper. In the products, there is 1 copper, 1 silver, and 2 nitrates. To balance the nitrates, you put 2 in front of silver nitrate. So now you have balance the nitrates, and now you have 2 silvers. So to balance the silvers, here on the product side, you put a 2 in front of the silver, and you have balanced it. Now to recheck your work, you have 2 silvers, 2 silvers, 2 nitrates, and 1 copper on each side. So the equation has been balanced.